Frameo troubleshooting software glitches. Software glitches can be frustrating for Frameo users. These issues disrupt the smooth functioning of the app. This section covers common software glitches and their solutions. App crashes. App crashes are a common issue. The Frameo app may close unexpectedly. This can interrupt your photo sharing experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot. Check for updates. Ensure your app is up to date. Clear cache. Go to Settings and clear the app cache. Reinstall the app. Uninstall and reinstall Frameo. If the problem persists, contact Frameo support. They can provide further assistance. Failures. Sometimes updates fail to install. This can leave your app outdated. Here's a quick guide to fix update failures. 1. Stable internet connection. Ensure you have a strong connection. 2. Device storage. Check if you have enough storage space. 3. Restart device. Restart your device before updating. These steps should resolve most update issues. If not, seek help from Frameo support. Let me